partnership with Worldline, a global provider of e-payment services, started in 2020. Today we are here in Gdańsk for a 3-day workshop to align our efforts, reflect on achievements and set a clear path for the future.
We have been working with SII now for the last 5 years. Our relationship has been really great. It's more of a partnership rather than contract and supplier type of relationship.
What is especially motivating about this work is knowing that the product we are helping to build could be used by any of us. Whenever we pay for goods or services in an online store that processes the payments via Worldline payment solution, we can see the results of our common efforts.
Our merchants, our customers are really demanding. The business cannot ever stop and it needs to be as fast as possible. In order to achieve that level of speed and stability, we need to provide creative solutions to that.
For me, the most important factor is the fact that the teams are brought as close as possible to the customer so that they directly identify the need, have the good understanding and shorten the feedback loop when something needs to be changed.